Hey guys, this is Jeet from Forex Insights PW, and today I'm again going to break down the weekly analysis of Banknifty chart. So again, we are going to first talk about the entry setups, which was in previous week. Okay, so let's see. So guys, starting from Monday here, as you can see, I have told you that this area cause a demand to the upside, and as it is happens in the market. Now let's look at this area how demands are created. Okay, so I'm going to shift in 1 minute structure. 1 minute, guys. I should think first of all we have to understand in this time frame also 15 minutes. So let uh, explaining to you. You can see there is a sweep of what 15-minute low in that area, and market goes to the upside. Okay, market broke this area here, which clarify the demand in the market, but uh, as it is market came to this supply area and fall down from this level. Now market has created a two side trade in this setup. So so take a look, market broke this area, which clarifies what, which clarifies the demand in the market. Okay, now we have to look at this supply. Okay, now this breaks to the downside, clarify the supply. Okay, now market created a what, a two-way decision. Okay, so when market, this is on what, this is Friday, market comes to this area and push down to this level. Okay, as I told in my previous structure. Okay, now this demand area remains uncleared when market pushes here on the late Friday. Okay, at the ending time market tap on this area, and when market opens, okay, 1 minute, I will clear the situation. You can see this is what, this is our demand area. Okay, and this is what, this is our recent supply area. Okay, so we are very unclear until market close, does not close above any high or low. Okay, this area will become what, will become our consolidation until this high or this low. Okay, if market breaks above it, this means that market is in demand, and if market breaks like down this means that market is in supply. But on Monday markets created a consolidation phase here. You can see now, as you can see at this point, you can say, yeah, market open gapped up from this level. Okay, and what market created, market sweep this level again. Okay, this mean is not a break of structure to the upside. This means what, this mean is a sweep of liquidity, and market wants to push to the downside. Okay, but there is still remains some demand. Okay, this demand and this fair value gap. Okay, this, these are the two demands which remains in this area. Okay, so I'm going to shift in 1 minute structure to clarify how this supply took places in this area. Okay, now starting from the basics, that I have, what I have told you, that if market sweep a level, okay, we need a breakdown of recent pullback to the downside. Okay, for downside move like this. Okay, this is what, this is the first criteria, and second criteria is this one. Okay, this is our second criteria, and this is liquidity sweep area in higher time frame, and this is lower time frame. Okay, so you can see there is do you see any of structure like in this area? No, there is a no recent structure in this area like this one or this one. Okay, so what will you do in this area? So guys, first of all we have to know that what is our recent demand. Okay, recent pullback and recent demand are always equal. Okay, so what is our recent demand in this area? Okay, there is a no pullback structure as because the market opened as gapped up. But when you see market open from this level, you can see this level. Okay, so market open from this level and market pushes to the upside. Okay, 1 minute. I can see. 1 minute. Sorry, guys. You can see the market opened from this level, guys. This is told by me mistakenly. You can see market opened from this level and pushes down, and recent demand takes place here to here. So this area is our recent demand. Okay. So we need to break off structure below this level. Okay. But there is another demand in this fair value gap. Okay. So first of all, we have to clarify that this fair value gap demand should become what? Should become liquidity. If this fair value gap become liquidity, then we can trade to the downside. So how this fair value gap become liquidity? So first of all, we have to see any break of structure to this demand. As you can see, market is pushing to the downside from this order flow, and from this order flow, and market creates a demand from this order flow. You can see this order flow again, market creates a demand from this order flow. Okay. As market breaks this demand to the downside, okay, actual demand area is this. When market break this area, I know, guys, you are not properly understanding the what I wants to say, just because you are not aware of the structure. But when you see, the recent demand of the day came from this level. Okay, so this is the demand area. Until the market break this demand area, market create a consolidation phase like this. Okay. So when market break this demand area, okay, okay, then we clarify that this is a supply, and this fair value gap is now going to become liquidity. Okay. So here we are very clear to push market to the downside. Now let's see the structure here. Okay, market pushes down from this level. Okay, now we are clarify that market is gonna to take liquidity. This is what, this is our recent inducement. Okay, and this is what, this is our order block. Okay, and lots of people thinks that market is does not tap on the order flow. Market does not work as like you say. This, there is a no rule that market will tap on your order flow, order block. But there is a rule that market is always tap on your order flow, and this is your order flow. Okay, now moving to the 15-minute structure. Okay, guys, what I'm going to tell you that what is our recent order flow. Okay, there is a rule that market definitely came to your recent order flow. Okay, this is the inducement. If market take out this inducement, we are gonna to sell in this position. Okay, so let's see what is our recent order flow. You can see this is our first order flow. Okay, this is our first order flow. Market tap on this order flow and push to the upside. Okay, so this is our second order flow. Okay, and again market came here, and this is what, this is our third and last order flow. Okay, you can see this is our third and last order flow. There Guys, I know that there is a question that how can you mark this is order flow. You can see there is a lots of order flow, but this is the real structure where all institutes work. So when market tap on this order flow, you can see this order flow. Okay, market will push to the downside. Okay, this is actual orders, and there is another possibility. If you did not find any entry here, okay, so you know there is another order flow in this area. Okay, and when market tap on this order flow, you can sell. Okay, so if you ask where I will sell, so this is the order flow where I wants to sell. Okay, because this is a more confirm, and as I said in my previous video, this order flow, if market give you entry in this order flow, this was very impulsive order flow. If you wants to see, then you can watch my previous video. I have always told that this order flow is very impulsive. Okay, now I am gonna to take entry in this order flow from this level, putting the high here, almost 120 points. Okay, this is gonna to minimize, but for now this is that much big. And where is our entry? until this low. Okay, if market is gonna to close before giving this entry on that day, then I will close my entry. But if market will give closing on that day, then I'm going to take this entry, guys. Okay, so you can see there is a very impulsive trade here. Now let's take another scenario, that how, as I can see, guys, there is the only one entry on that day. And when you see market closed below it. Okay, and I have told you in my previous videos, guys, 1 minute. Okay, I have told you that when market close below it, if market sweep that level, okay, market is gonna to push to the upside about 200 points. Okay, I have told you in my previous bank nifty analysis. So let's see how much market pushes to the upside. So coming to the area, okay, let's calculate. So when I see market is pushed up almost 400 points. Okay, now as we can see, this is what, this is sweep in a 4 hour structure. Okay, this is a liquidity sweep, and I will explain this entry setups in our liquidity video. You can see this is sweep and this is again sweep. Okay, so what is this, demands fail, this supply again fails. Okay, market did not go to any, so what will happen, market will consolidate until this low. Okay, this situation happen here also. You can see this demand, this supply, market does not close above it or below it, and market creates consolidation on Monday. Okay, and this is the again area, and until market does not close above or below it, this become what, this become consolidation phase. Okay, now there is a no entry leaving this on this week. Okay, now coming to the weekly forecast, guys, let's see what is the other possibility in upcoming weeks. And I know that my analysis and my structure mapping are very different from other traders, I know, guys, but this is the real structure what I have learned in many years. Let coming to the day structure. So guys, as you can see, in previous week analysis I have told you that this demand gonna to push up the market like this one. Okay, but market fails to close above it. This mean very clear, this is the recent order flow, and market will push down when market completely came to this fair value gap. Okay, and this is the order block. Okay, so this structure is very clear. In upcoming weeks market is going to took look to the downside. Okay, this is a day structure. Now coming to the 4 hour structure, and 4 hour structure always be same. Okay, that market is gonna to push to the downside. Now we, what we have to look, we have to look any supply area in 15-minute structure. Okay, so next week is also important, because market is gonna to took a liquidity, and until this area, you can see this unmitigated area, market gonna to take a impulsive move. But when market came to this area, market is gonna to mitigate sometimes. Okay, I mean to say this area will become a something consolidation. So let's see in 4 hour structure. As I can see, guys, in 4 hour the market is still the same, market breaks below it. Okay, as I said, this fair value gap will create what, will create a demand, and as it is. Okay, now look at this area, this fair value gap creates demand in this area, and again this demand creates a recent supply with fair value gap. Okay, so this fair value gap, you can see right here, is gonna very important for our downside move. Okay, this is very rare that market will tap on this order flow, but market can go impulsively from this fair value gap. Okay, as because that market is resting below that fair value, liquidity of fair value gap. Okay, you can see there is a day order block. Okay, there is a day order block here. Okay, and when market tap on this fair value gap, this liquidity can attract this trade, and market gonna to move impulsively to the downside until this low. Okay, So this trade is also gonna very impulsive. So let's see what happened on market. And coming to the 15-minute structure for the weekly analysis, this is our 15-minute structure. Okay guys, and this is our break of structure to the downside. Now when you see, this is what, this is our closing, no, this is our again liquidity sweep until the market closes below it. Okay, this is called a liquidity sweep, and when market closed below it, this called boss. Okay, so until this is liquidity, and what I am thinking that you can see, this is our inducement and this is recent order block. Okay, there is a possibility that market gonna to tap on this order block and push down, but higher chances, what higher chances, market gonna to tap on this fair value gap and sweep this liquidity again and push to the downside. Okay, let's see what market do on Monday. Okay, as I said my previous week, market will definitely uh, take a swing, only one swing in that structure. You can see there is what, there is a mitigation on Monday, that means that is very unclear. Okay, and on Tuesday market open gap up. Okay, but what we need here, we need a clear indication that market is gonna to take to the high side, but market sweep this liquidity, this clears, move to the downside until whole week. Okay, as you can see now, market clears for next week, that market is gonna to push to the downside again. So don't trade to the upside if you are new. And that's it guys, see you on our next week analysis. And if you like my videos friends, then give a like to the video and share to your traders friend circle, and your comment will motivate me for making more videos. I am watching that bank nifty analysis videos are not so much popular as other videos, so if you want to continue this series, then share the video as you can also. That's it guys. And if you don't join my telegram group, then I recommend that you should join that group. And I am asking one question, if you wants to trade analysis on forex, then comments to the my video, I will add that video also. Okay, that's it guys, bye bye.